Now see, this is the reaction before you, which is having different reagent on the arrow. NBS is a brominating reagent. AIBN, just remember AIBN is nothing but initiator, which initiate or induce the free radical reaction initiation, followed by 10% sodium hydroxide, which is the hydrolyzing or hydrolysis reagent. So this transformation is very simple actually. You should know what is this methyl. This is a benzylic methyl, benzene ring attached to benzylic. This is also methyl. It's a benzylic. Okay. Therefore, both of the methyl undergo into what? आपको mechanism लिखना है. So one by one, both methyl undergo bromination. Yes or no? Yes. You can see it. Both methyl undergo into bromination. See, and then when you react this with the sodium hydroxide 10%, both the bromine replaced by very basic reactions of hydrolysis of alkyl halides or alkyl halide. So OH, OH. Then when you heat it, there is a loss of water, and due to the these CH2, CH2OH, they are near to each other. Therefore, there is a more chance of sacchariization, and hence this undergoes sacchariization, and it will produce like this compound. Okay. Again, interesting example is before you. See, this is the reaction. Our aim is, so this is the CCl4 is a solvent, bromine is the reagent. We have to react with this, and this will follow the excellent mechanism of free radical reaction. See. So what will happen in this reaction? See, first of all, this OG bond undergo homolysis. AG dot and this BR dot will form AgBr. Okay. AG dot and BR dot will form AgBr, and that one dot would be here and one dot with Br. Okay. Then next step is what? There is a decarboxylation this reaction by same procedure, homolysis and radical generation takes place here. This radical combined with bromine and this will form the brominated, or we can say the introduction of bromine at this position. Okay. So this is the very simple mechanism. This question is asked in the exam 2-3 times in the previous exam. So you should know this is a simple idea. See again one more example before you. How will you write this thing? How will you? It's a very interesting example, very important example. This compound is reacting with this. What is the benzoyl peroxide? Its work is what? Its work is what? To initiate the reaction. Its job is initiate the reaction. Very interesting. Remember, whenever we have a CHO group, there is a breakage of carbon hydrogen bond. Always remember. So see, there is a breakage of CH bond, carbon and CH bond by this radical, and the minus carbon monoxide. Then this step you have to memorize this or remember this. Always remember. This generates the trichloromethane free radical. Remember, trichloromethane free radical generation from this. This trichloromethane free radical would attack this double bond, and there is a generation of one more stable radical at tertiary carbon. Now this, what will happen? This bond, this bond undergo breakage. No problem. This one undergo breakage, and that will generate like this. And there is a formation of bond by these two radicals bond. And you open this, or you can clean the structure. So 6-membered ring is there. You can see 6-membered ring, and at this fourth position, from this fourth position, there is a isopropyl radical. We can write like this. Then one more molecule of this trichloroethanol or acetaldehyde will react deliver its hydrogen here. Actually, there should not be this radical. There should not be this radical. So remember, this radical is not there. Okay. Sorry, there is no radical here. There is no radical here. Like this. Like this. Okay, fine. And there is a generation of what? See, there is a generation of again radical. This minus carbon monoxide generate this one. This react another molecule and continues. Okay, it continues. This is what the mechanism of this very important reaction. Fine. Write the mechanism. This is a question for you. By using this technique, this same technique, you should follow this mechanism. Yes, all of you.